2014-2015 winter has been a very hard winter. In Kentucky, they've seen temperatures the lowest it's been in 100 years. This has an effect on nursery stock and on larger trees. When we see trees that have been broken or damaged because of winter conditions, whether it be from desiccation or overloading of branches, we have to see what went wrong. What can we do to try to make sure that these breaks and injuries don't happen again? So when we look at what we have to do, we always know we have to start back in the field. What are we going to do to our trees in the field? The best thing we can do is trim them correctly so that no branches get overweight with ice or snow. When we plant our trees, we can plant them a little larger spacing so that each tree is not so sheltered from the next tree over. So when we actually are trimming, we want to make sure we make a conical shape, and we go around and we make sure that not one branch is sticking too far out. This is Norway spruce, so that not all the one branch takes all the load of snow or ice. Also notice there is nice spacing in between each of the plants so that if there is lots of cold, each tree can go feel the cold itself. It's not in a large block or not in a large stand where each tree starts to help each other with wind conditions and with seeing the sun come down and hit on it and not self-shading. That helps out with the tree. When we get a tree we want, we can go get it and make it look nice. So we go through, we just trim them out. Every now and then we'll stop and we'll reach down, we'll grab out some of the branches and some of the weeds at the bottom, making sure that it's a plant that's going to be growing and we'll be able to take the winter fairly well. If you have any questions on what we do, just give us a call. Our telephone number is 215-651-8329. Thank you.
This video is brought to you by Highland Hill Farm. We grow and sell screening and buffering trees for privacy and sound barriers.